the the unity that we haven't seen. It's the sense of nationhood that we seem to have lost. That we should all be working for the Philippines. We should all be working for our yung mga ating mga kapwa Pilipino.
When you say unifying president, what exactly do you mean? Because I did hear a part of your speech yesterday na sinasabi, unify the country in this fight against the pandemic, unify this country so that we can open the economy. What do you mean by unifying president, sir?
Well, right now we are not moving we are not moving as one country, because there's so much politics. Despite the fact that we are faced with a pandemic, the political forces are still beginning to come into play in the actual function of government, and that is not unifying. That is polarizing, like politics necessarily is. And I think that we have to think beyond that, because if we cannot tackle this COVID if we do not help each other, I think the government has to be moving, doing the things that government can do. The private sector is also trying very hard to do their bit. Each individual has to do their bit. Everybody has to wear their mask, has to try and stay healthy, try and stay safe. All of these things have to, every single person, every single citizen, we need them to be part of the solution, especially when it comes to COVID. But when you say that we are trying to open again, we are trying to reopen and try to revitalize the economy. The first part of revitalizing the economy will be to defeat COVID, to be vaccinated, to have a large segment of our populations achieve that herd immunity that we've been hearing about for over a year. And so that is part and parcel of the same thing. You cannot start your economic recovery until you have somehow managed. And we use the word now manage, because it's not going to go away, but we will learn to manage it like other countries already have done. And that's the level of joint effort that we want to achieve. Sa ngayon, I guess the fact that we are also in the start of the political cycle, that may have a lot to do with it. But the unity that we haven't seen, it's the sense of nationhood that we seem to have lost. That we should all be working for the Philippines. We should all be working for our yung mga ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Sa ngayon, hindi ganun eh. Ang trabaho ngayon para sa partido, ang trabaho ngayon para sa individual, para sa ambisyon ng ganito, para yung mga lumalabas, yung mga nagte-take advantage, nag-hoard para kumita. Yun ang mga people are working at cross purposes. And that is what we want. We want to synchronize our efforts so that mas malaki ang magagawa natin, mas marami ang magagawa natin, mas bilis ang ating pag-ahon dito sa crisis na ito. To be able to unify is certainly the most critical thing that we have to achieve. What is not top of mind is the political color of the person that the person or the group that we are dealing with. And I really believe that if you present the people, no matter what their political color might be, if you present a good plan and you present the capability, you have the capability to make the bureaucracy work for you, to do the things that need to be done, but including the coordination with the private sector, including the coordination with individuals, with local governments, etc. If you present a plan for them to all follow, that it can be seen to be effective, then that will be the unifying factor. It is not I'm not talking about unifying political segments. I'm unifying the people, unifying our organs of government, unifying all the different sectors of our society and of our economy to work together Right now, as I said, there are the different elements are working at cross purposes. Kung minsan, one side, basically, the private sector is complaining about government, government is complaining about the private sector, etc., etc. Now, if we could bring that all together, we would certainly, I think, do a better job of managing the COVID, especially with the new Delta variant, with the acquisition of many more vaccines and the big and a big rollout of vaccination to all the different areas. That is what I mean when I say unify. It is not a political unification. That's not the goal here. The goal here is to unify our efforts against COVID. The goal here is to unify our efforts to reignite and revitalize the economy. That's what I meant by unifying.